Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Victoria Quay in Port Alberni, British Columbia. This charming waterfront area is located at the foot of Johnston Road, also known as Highway 4, and runs alongside the picturesque Somas River. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by two impressive welcome figures. These tall carvings were created by local Hipakasath First Nations artists. One figure faces the water, welcoming those arriving by boat, while the other faces the land, greeting visitors coming by road. Victoria Quay is a wonderful spot to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. There are several benches where you can sit and watch the world go by. You might see fishing boats making their way along the river, heading out to or returning from popular fishing spots in the Alberni Inlet.
Thank you very much.
For those interested in local culture and history, the nearby Welcome Center showcases prominent First Nations artwork. It's an excellent place to learn about the rich heritage of the Indigenous peoples in this region. If you're visiting during the summer months, don't miss the Sunset Craft Market held weekly at Victoria Quay. It's a great opportunity to explore local crafts and enjoy the community atmosphere. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Quay to Quay Pathway is a developing project that will connect Victoria Quay to Harbour Quay, approximately 4 kilometers away. This pathway celebrates local Indigenous culture and history, provides recreational opportunities, and links various neighborhoods, allowing you to explore more of Port Alberni's beautiful waterfront. In summary, Victoria Quay offers a delightful mix of natural beauty, wildlife viewing, cultural experiences, and community events. It's a must-visit spot for anyone spending time in Port Alberni.
Thanks for watching!